Hello, what's up guys? I want to make some Oreo milkshake. We have some three ingredients. First, we have some milk, Oreo, and 2 cups of ice cream. Okay. First, we're gonna open the blend and the milk. Open. We're gonna open the milk. Input and the milk input in the blend. Until okay, this is done. We're gonna go to the basket. Oh yeah, and ice cream. Ooh, another one again. It's not long, just simple. Everyone use the whipped cream, but I don't wanna use whipped cream. It's gonna be useful. No, useless. Okay, and after that, I'm gonna open the Oreo. Just 6 pieces of Oreo, Okay, okay. Input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and plus it. Can wait until 1 and 2 minutes.
Meanwhile, day 2.
Okay guys, and this is the cup. I'm gonna use the top of the cup. And this is
Day 3. Day 4.
the blending.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, we're gonna wait again. Okay guys, this is done. Take the blend, put it down, open. Yeah, open it. Input milkshake to the cup. Okay, this and input 1 Oreo in the top, and done. This is the milkshake, and you can try it at home. So simple. Don't forget to subscribe. You can do it also in home. Bye. Cringe.